So you know how Bunnings had just recently announced a partnership to sell Tesla stuff? Basically they're selling now the Tesla wall connector, Tesla Powerwall 3 and Tesla mobile connector. So it's the weekend. What else do we need to do on the weekend? We need to always go down to Bunnings to buy stuff that we may or may not need. So my local one is Castle Hill, so we're going to head down there and we're going to see if they've got anything on display so I can show you guys what you guys would expect, because at the moment Castle Hill, New South Wales is the only site in New South Wales to offer these products and or services. So let's go. All right, we are just about here at Bunnings Castle Hill. So I don't know if this is every single Bunnings, but this one, and I'll show you guys in a moment, there's so many solar panels on this one. I'm pretty sure it's definitely self-sufficient, if not potentially already having batteries. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys some more about the solar in a moment, but I'm excited to see what they've got on display or how they're going to display it. So this is the entrance, the main entrance to Bunnings Castle Hill. I also think this site in particular is perfect for a potential supercharger site, because the car park, there's actually 2 levels here. So obviously what you're seeing now I guess is the main entrance, but they've got a level below that is actually a bit quieter, and I think should be very suitable for a supercharger site. So I'm actually going to take you guys there now and yeah, show you guys how much space there is. So on my right, you guys can't see it here, but it is actually only half full. So we are going to actually go downstairs though. So I'm just going to turn here to the right into one of these car park spots, and you can see how much space there actually is at this Bunnings site. Look at that. So with all the solar panels, I definitely think this could, let me just drive the proper way, with all of these car parking spaces and the amount of solar panels this site has, I definitely think they could extend the partnership to not only sell and provide Powerwalls and wall connectors and mobile chargers, they could definitely have a whole supercharger site here. What do you guys think? Let's get it on Tesla's radar if not already. So yeah, I'm going to turn down here and show you guys the rest of it. So much space everywhere. And actually, let me just pause the camera here, or just stop here, and I'll grab the camera off the car and look at this. So this is the Bunnings site here. So this is the view. So this entire thing is Bunnings. Look at all the solar panels. So many. I don't even know how many that would be, but like, look, absolutely amazing. Anyways, that's enough of me rambling on about Tesla having a supercharger site here at Bunnings and potentially at every single Bunnings. Let's go in and let's actually see. We'll see if we can see the stats on the solar panels, because I know it's inside, and then we'll see if we can check out the actual Tesla section if it's already there up and running. So let's go. Also, hint and a tip, if you ever come here, come down to level 2, because look at all the space, and I've got a whole spot, a whole section there to myself. In saying that, what do you think are the chances that someone, when I come back, is going to be parked next to me? Anyways, let's go. Alright, so I won't be able to show you guys the solar stats because it looks like it's off or down at the moment, but usually upon entrance to the left, so pretty much here where the returns and exchanges, That's pretty much where you'll find all the solar stats. So no stats this time, but let's go find the Tesla section. I'm coming down to the smart section first because I think it might actually be over here. Alright, so looks like I was right. It is pretty much near this smart home section. So behind me over there is the entrance, and I'm going to flip the camera around. Alright, so as I said, the entrance is just over there. Now, when you come in, so the stand, we've actually come 1 week too early. So pretty much when you guys come in, it's going to be set up between tomorrow over the next week. So it's actually just going to be right here where the barriers are at. So 1 week too early, and it's coming soon. So I've been told if you guys want to get it, you can't get it yet. You can get them sometime over the next week. But if you guys want to put down an order, you definitely can. So watch this space, and we'll come next week once the display is all up, and I'll keep you guys posted.